Let's go over setting up yearly events so that we can set special events like sports games, 4th of July, birthday parties, etc. Okay, let's hop into our controller and let's on Smart at the bottom, hit the plus side at the top. We're going to scroll down to custom, click on that, and then we have a weekly, yearly option. Weekly and monthly, you probably won't use too often. Those are going to be set up in your smart calendar. Let's go to yearly. Okay. Let's select and find. Let's do this for the July 4th. We want to come on every year for our annual 4th of July party. Okay. Select that. We're just like ended the specific time. We want this to end just before midnight. Okay. And then we want to start at right around 7 o'clock. That's when our barbecue is. So we can turn that to repeat or not repeat. Let's turn on repeat. Let's select the yearly so we can see has July 4th there. The lights will turn on till 11:45. Let's go ahead and set it to 7:10 and hit next. Okay, now select my devices. We have all our devices listed, but for this one, we're going to do the Office demo. And then let's go ahead and hit next. Okay, hit the plus button. And now we have an on and off button. Make sure you select on first. It's going to go on. And we're going to go up to scenes in the top and then go through your categories. For this one, we have a pre-made DIY for red, white, and blue in our DIY folder. You can switch between the two. It should change the design on your house. But when we hit next, now we're at the Office demo set up. We can kind of see it's going to be red, white, blue pattern. And let's go ahead and name that 4th of July and hit done. Okay, so now we can see it's saved in our smart calendar. We have the custom 4th of July every year, and you can disable it or enable it by the little blue slider button. Now, let's just say we want to edit that or add more to it. We just select it, and we go down to our devices, and we see the Office demo, but we have some smart lights. Let's put our left and right garage sconce on there and add them in, hit the plus button, and do the same thing. Let's turn them to on, and then let's choose a color. We want this one to come on as red. We can change its brightness level, but we want that one to be red, and this one we're going to change to blue. So now those are on the same exact 4th of July every year, coming on at 7 and going off at 11:45. And you can see those in our devices at the bottom. So you can go ahead and hit save, and now those devices will be saved. Now, let's keep in mind that if you have this set, it will conflict with other calendars. So just keep that in mind. If you want to disable certain calendars anytime you can.
If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to click the subscribe button so you don't miss out on more easy-to-follow guides for Halo smart lights and other smart home tips.